Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get a .pk domain. So if you don't know about a domain name, then this is a unique identifier for your website. Just like for Google we have google.com and for Facebook we have facebook.com. Now if you type facebook.com, then it will go to Facebook, and this is its unique identifier. So if you want to create a website and make it publish on internet, then you will need a domain name and hosting. Now you have seen many domains which ends with .com, .online, .xyz and so on. So basically these are the different extensions for a domain name. You can buy any of these and it works fine. But the most common one is .com domain. So most of the people try to find a .com domain. But mostly this is not available. So if I search for, then as you can see softexpert.com is already taken. So we cannot buy this domain. Now you can see more options are available. It is .online, .link, .live and all of these. And a .pk domain is a country specific for Pakistan. Just like for India we have .in, for Australia we have .au and so on. So if you want to buy a .pk domain, then I'll show you in this video. So first of all, follow the link in the description and go to this website, or you can search on Google Hoster PK. So go to this website, and this is the website where you can buy .pk domains and .edu.pk domain also, as you can see here. So once you are on this website, just go to domains and click on domain registration. Now this is the domain name registration. Here you can search for your domain name, but we are going to select .pk domain as we are buying .pk domain. So I'll click this. Once you click the button, you will see .pk search. So you just have to write your domain name here. Again, I will write Soft Expert and click here for search. Now just like the previous website, .com is not available, and this is the most common one, so this is not available. And this is the .pk. Also you can buy .com.pk and .edu.pk from this website. Now we are going to buy .pk domain, so we will just click add, and this will add this to our cart. Again click on complete, and this will take you to this page. Now as you can see, registration period is 2 years and no hosting is added because we are only buying our domain name. And for the hosting I'll create a separate video. And these are the name servers, so if you want to find this to external hosting, then you will write the name servers here, but we will do in the next video. Just go to the next step, and here you can enter a promo code. So I will provide this promo code down in the description box, or you can see this is FV500. Before validating this code, as you can see, the price is 2399. If I click validate this code, then you can get a 500 rupees discount. We didn't get any discount because this is only for hosting. So if you are buying hosting, then you can use this coupon code. Okay, now let's check out. And here I will have to fill all these details to get the domain. So I'll write my information here. Once you fill up these details, scroll down and choose a strong password here. And after this, these are the payment details. So you can go with bank deposit, EasyPesa, Omni, Cash, credit card, PayPal or Jcash. So choose a transfer method, and I have EasyPesa here, so I will choose this one. If you are using Jcash, you will get a 5% discount. And click on I have read and agree to terms and services. So check this box and click on complete order. So this is the Hoster PK invoice, which is unpaid. So once you do the payment, this will change to paid. When you scroll down, you will see your payment method and the total amount. If you want, you can download this. You will also get an email from Hoster PK. So let's check out our email. As you can see, your order invoice and welcome to Hoster PK. So let's check this one. So inside the email, as you can see, again we have the invoice. These are the payment methods, and this is our total amount, and this is our domain name. Now we cannot use this for now because we haven't paid this amount. So these are the payment options. So I will make the payment and will send a screenshot to this email again. So to make a payment you can use EasyPesa or mobile transfer, bank transfer, etc. So once you did this, just take a screenshot and reply this email that screenshot. And if I go to my account, then as you can see we have one unpaid invoice here, as you can see. And if I click on domains, so this is our domain and the status here is pending. So once we pay for this domain and the payment get approved, then we will be able to use this domain. So let me make the payment and I will be back. As I told you, I have sent a screenshot of payment, as you can see here. Now they send me an open ticket of supporting team, so I'll click this. So this was the email I have sent and this is the screenshot of payment. So I can reply to this ticket and I'll write something like my name, email and my message. Okay, now after approval you will get some emails like this one, as you can see, invoice payment confirmation. So this is the confirmation of our payment. If I go back, I have another email. This is also domain registration confirmation, and as you can see, this message is to confirm that your domain purchase has been successful. Once you got these emails, then your domain will be ready. So let's refresh this page, and as you can see our domain status is active now. Now we can manage this, we can transfer this, we can find this to another hosting. Okay, so that is how you can buy a .pk domain and then you can active that. Now in the next video we're gonna buy hosting for this domain, and this is from hostinger.com. As you can see, the plans are very cheap, and I will share some coupons code and promo codes also, which will make this more cheap. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next.